ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും A to Z കെമിസ്ട്രിയുടെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഈ ചാനൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി ലഭിക്കാൻ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തൊട്ടടുത്ത് കാണുന്ന ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ഇനേബിൾ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. Today we are discuss about metals and its ore. In this section, we will take up the questions that are frequently asked in Kerala PSC, SSC and other objective type of exam related to metal. Properties of metals. Metals have high melting points. They are good conductors of electricity and good conductors of heat. They are having high density. They are malleable, ductile and shiny in nature. A malleable material is one which a thin sheet can be easily formed by hammering or rolling. Ductility is the physical property of a material associated with the ability to be hammered, thin or sketched into wire without breaking. The electrical and thermal conductivities of metal originated from the fact that the outer electrons are delocalized. What is metal luster? Metal luster, which means they have free electrons that can move freely in the metal, causing any light incident on them to get reflected back. This property of metal describes the amount of light reflected on metal. Which is the heaviest metal? That is osmium. And which is the densest metal? That is also osmium. Which is the lightest metal? That is lithium. And lithium is also least dense metal. Which is the hardest metal? That is chromium, and the first metal to be used by man was copper. Which is the most abundant metal present in earth crust? That is aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal present in earth crust. That is very important. And which is the most common metal on earth? That is iron, Fe. Which metal is highest in human body? That is calcium. Metal present in hemoglobin? That is iron, Fe. And which metal is present in chlorophyll? That is magnesium, Mg. Name the transient metal present in vitamin B12. That is cobalt. Trace amount of metal present in insulin is zinc, Saturn. Cisplatin, a cancer drug, is a compound of which metal? That is platinum. Which compound of calcium is used in ripening of fruits? Calcium carbide. Calcium carbide compound of calcium is used in ripening of fruits. Metal compound commonly found in sindoor or kumkum is based on lead. Which metal is known to pollute the air of big cities with large number of vehicles? That is also lead, Pb. And what is quicksilver? Mercury is known as quicksilver. That is very important point. And which metal is known as liquid silver? That is also mercury. So mercury is also known as quicksilver and also liquid silver. Cinnabar is an ore of mercury. Minamata disease is caused by the poisoning effect of mercury. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? That is also mercury. They have melting point minus 39 degrees Celsius. Which metal form an amalgam with other metal? That is mercury. Which metal is liquid at temperature, room temperature other than mercury? That is gallium and cesium. Which metal is known as white gold? Platinum metal is known as white gold. Which metal is known as little silver? Platinum is also known as little silver. What is future gold? Platinum is future gold. So these 3 points are very important, and don't confuse the second point with, we already know quicksilver is mercury, and here we discuss little silver, that is platinum. So quicksilver is mercury and little silver is platinum. And which metal is called metal of future? This is also very important point. So the metal of future is titanium. We already know future of gold is platinum, and future of metal is titanium, and future of fuel, that is hydrogen. We already discussed it previously. And which metal is known as rainbow metal? titanium metal is known as rainbow metal. Who discovered titanium? William Grigg discovered titanium. What are the ores of titanium? Rutile, ilmenite and leucoxene are the ores of titanium. The metal used in aircraft engine, that is titanium. Titanium metal is used in the aircraft engine because of its high strength to weight ratio. So that is also a very important point. Which alloy is used for making bodies of aircraft? That is duralumin. Duralumin alloy is used for making bodies of aircraft. What is duralumin made up of? It having 90% of aluminium, 4% of copper and 1% of magnesium and a small amount of manganese. Which is the king of metals? Gold is the king of metals. What is the chemical symbol of gold? That is Au and atomic number is 79. Which is the most malleable metal? Gold is the most malleable metal. The term carat is used to express purity of gold. The purest form of gold is 24 carats. 24 carat having 99.95% of Au. 22 carat have 91.6% of Au. In which liquid is gold dissolved? That is aqua regia. In aqua regia, gold is dissolved and it's having composition of 1:3% of HNO3 and HCl, 1% of HNO3 and 3% of HCl. Which metal is used in making the filament of electric bulb? That is tungsten. What is the chemical symbol for tungsten? That is W. Melting point of tungsten is 3410 degrees Celsius, which is very important point. And which metal has the highest resistivity? Tungsten metal has the highest resistivity. So further question will be discussed in the next section. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.